2 feet, man. I have to start dig again.
Remember, you're not Paulie, you hear that?
See, OJ try out in there.
But we always with him.
But you cannot throw back in at you.
Smith Best Build Construction. You want your house good all a function. You have to link Smith Best Build Construction. Yeah, we are talking about the roofing, the slamming, the decking. Yeah, the electrical and the plumbing, that's up with it. We are talking about make house from start to finish in origin. Yeah, dig out the construction site from. Yeah, you know what we are talking about. You have to link up Smith Best Build Construction right now. And them response to that something here. The best work team right.
You know, say Smith Best Build Construction there, and our boy Willie, you know it can go. Yeah, so we do a foundation for the fall cover. And see there, foundation this. Right now, we draw the card line, make it so I go on. Hold it over this, so go back over this, so I fall cover. This come like a power sign up, Paulie. It's not take no time to cut down. It's a timber. See my flip there, my flip up top. And flip. Alright, that's good. Please start light up already. Steep this side, gully this. You have to go make it flat. And get it flat 20 by 30. Then add any other thing, go the direction there. So we get 20 from here, so 20, and from here, so 30. Go out this another 10 other and make 40. So you see everything I light up. All I 3 them I cut down. Now this a big one I left it cut down. And then the fall cup space. Fall cup space, good. So see, when I post wall them, I done it still. We go down 6 more inches down in the earth. 3 to clean up. Card line a jar. And be a work. Alright, so we're gonna level the post. We're gonna level the post. So Willie a dig there. Finish dig my wall. So my father there dig female same way. So yo, trouble. So your peeps, so what I do? I use my stone them for all the posts. Use my stone for all the posts and nail level. Once I say apple tree post, yes man, apple tree post, yes. Yeah man. So Willie I dig out female there. Daddy I dig female, I'll mash it last. Alright. Peeps, so see it now. Yeah man, I be a dirt man. Be a dirt for fully up for catching level. So Willie go use it, mark them and use the saw and cut off the whole waist head. And then you go put one 2 before pan top of it. You understand? We are going to deal with that man. So your people, so all of us are going to dig down and come down. We are going to back up the wall of you so with zinc and all type of thing. Peeps, so I saw Willie cut with this with the electric saw and I use the hand saw. See there we just cut off a whole lot of head them. Whole lot of head them. Whole heap of work, see your peeps. Cause we have a whole lot of stuff to dig down. And we're gonna put the zinc and throw dirt down on it and back it up on some lat or board or stick or whatever, you understand? So I'm gonna soon see all of that.
Eh? And them drink you out, man. And them drink you out, you look on them. We do say, I rub Pepsi I drink with, so you know I'm going to drink. And they want more now, no? They don't have no. You get no tight to them now. Hard. You know, if you ask some questions, we know say they drink, you know.
Peeps, just a lot you have to, and then we're going to need some zinc on it. And then we start throw down dirt. Daddy, that should have sent home. That's how I'm going to cut this off if we lock the next piece or two before we come there. So just like how I join the rest of the thing them. But it's alright. We cut you out and then nail it down. Send one of my name. No man, nobody stress and hurt head, Panny. Yeah, I carry down some lad come, hold on. So this was the old fall cub, which I get it demolished. And then we're going to the new fall cub down there. Yeah, down there. So the old to the new. So I'm gonna get this pulled down and all of them something there. Get the mesh wire them put on the other one. Get the zinc them put on the other one. I may have some zinc there, and then whenever I leave now, I just purchase and get everything up and running so you guys can see what I've gone. It's alright. Anytime you ain't saying done, I'm done before that. Then you want gold. Make sure it's 2 feet all that up, just there 6 inches. Come. Competition you want to see. The blood you want to see from morning, you know. Jesus Christ. You hear you? Words them sweet like sugar and salt. You know, it's nowhere yet. When I come for a competition and laugh, I come somewhere now. You know, people. Get bad man and throw dirt.
Oh yeah, in my way.
No, but I tell you something, you get bad man and throw a wall in like a pally and dig like them rabbit, 2 hot down in it.
2 hot. Half a dig down before 4 hours. Half a done.
You're not a race, but you look like you're a race that one. I see how they go with.
You're not a race. You tell Paul say don't do it.
Right now, I'm done my hole right now.
If you go 2 feet in, you say you go 2 feet again.
I'm going to fall here, you hear that? No, sir. We're not a race with him.
Hey!
The father used 2 hands. And I dig off one.
All the head gone down in that hole.
They go on to go down there. And so we run like when the tree had dropped this man in. Run.
Hey. Yeah, I made a few and
Class.
still I want to get
Come to my tape measure. There it catch the shit. Alright, we're done now.
Paddy, how far you reach?
No way. Well done. I use 2 hands. Watch him like him a dig for gold. Dig for gold, Carly. Let me throw a piece of gold down there. Alright, tomato another. Where tomato when not to the kitchen? Give them more camera, give them no more camera. Give them more ground. I'll be there for 15 minutes of a video. Then we have a structure. Then we have a frame. 3 series, you know.
After this, I will eat, man.
my brother just check in. Same bush? Well, bush. Come, 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 change off. But,
Come down here, man.
no, sir, I don't want to come down no more. Alright. Come, change off. We have the whole yourself to dig down. Ah, Pooh, where we there now? Still not time to dig up and full up and now. John, over this left still, so we'll do that piece and so we'll look. You see that? The sun has set. John, the peeps, you know the thing go. They have to level down this thing here. Go down this back. Yeah. So now the whole of the bank here to dig off and then throw it back down this and get it level down, you know? Whole heap of work. And you can see I'm gonna run some fork, yeah. Dig down. Bank inside and creep it down same time. Take on, man. When them boy come here, I just go and do something right now. When them boy come, we just gang it and go this side and let go of it. And just one push off with this comb. Boy, we are through there, but they're coming like you now move. Alright, man, start back on my fork again. Soon get there.